Right, guys, so we are going on a ride right now. Just leaving my friend's house. I'm gonna go on a ride, not sure whereabouts we're gonna go yet, but we're just gonna ride the whole way there. Sorry if it gets a bit windy, but let's go. I'm gonna give you a conversion kit. How about this? If I get 1,000 followers by 24th of March, on my birthday, I will do a giveaway. Oh, then I got hit by a car. Trenton Riley. Let's go. Right, guys, so we are just riding now. I'm just gonna ride the whole way down the main road now. I think we're just gonna go straight up to Herons or just near the centre. Might meet up with some of my boys. Don't know yet. We're gonna start riding now. Right, let's go. So guys, we did a few dirt bikes out today. Don't know whereabouts they are. See if they're coming up now. Conversion kit. So Red Cavera conversion. That's the one I want. Whew. Riding this bike can be tough. Fucking man. I need gloves. Just on my hands that look cold. Let's go. Full send. Full send. Maybe. Go. Hopefully I was like with that. Who's that? Right, guys, I'm gonna walk up now to the village. Right, guys. I'll see you back on when we're there. Alright, guys, we're back. We are gonna get out of here. We're gonna skedaddle. Okay. Whew. Okay now. That's a nice Harley up. So guys, we've got a really nice Harley coming up. Going up to the crew. We're just at the gas station. At the petrol station, sorry. Might as well ride round for a bit. start doing some of these tricks. Whew. Right, so I just see one of my boys. I spoke to him. Apparently there's meant to be a ride out coming through here tonight at some time. I don't know what time they're coming through though. But you know. So we're just hoping it comes through in a minute. So we're gonna get down there now, hopefully. Go and catch some action on these bikes. Everything performed in the video is done on a closed course, and the stunts that are done by trained professionals. Anywho, there's another Harley. They've had 2 Harleys in one night. Both had a belt come through then. So let's hope that we see a few more cars. We also had a few run-ins with dirt bikes today, me and my stepdad. Yeah, me and my stepdad ran into quite a few dirt bikes today. Our fair share of them. One trying to get hit. We're riding through this roundabout here, and a dirt bike came swimming around the car. And it's like ran around it in circles. Yeah, you know, it definitely hit him in that, but right. So this is a closed off area. It's like nice clothes. Around here, as they have the corner again, where we might be getting some action with this Harley. Yep. Harley action. Beautiful bike, beautiful bike. Absolutely smoking up like that. Yeah. Just running to another friend of mine from one of our rides that we've gone on. Our friends. Most of our rides are all done on closed courses and that. I think I met him on a street one that I went to. I don't know if I filmed it or not. Obviously, definitely not closed yet. This would be that's the second video on the channel. Ooh. Alright, see you in a minute. I'm going to get a drink.